History and shipping. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping at LITBLINDS store on YouTube channel. The most optimal design for PVC vinyl flooring and ceiling panels. Ceiling panels offer a myriad of benefits, making them an indispensable element in modern interior design. Functionally, they provide insulation, helping to maintain optimal room temperatures while reducing energy consumption. Their acoustic properties enhance sound absorption, creating quieter and more comfortable environments ideal for work, relaxation, or recreation. Additionally, advancements in materials and manufacturing techniques have led to the development of eco-friendly options, further enhancing the sustainability of modern construction practices. From enhancing acoustic performance to improving energy efficiency and aesthetics, ceiling panels continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the built environment, offering both practical and aesthetic advantages for occupants and designers alike. In addition to their functional and aesthetic advantages, ceiling panels also offer practical benefits in terms of maintenance and durability. Many modern ceiling panels are designed to be easy to clean and resistant to moisture, mold, and mildew, making them ideal for use in areas prone to high humidity or moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and swimming pool enclosures. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, reducing the need for frequent replacements and minimizing maintenance costs over time. Furthermore, ceiling panels can also incorporate advanced features such as integrated lighting fixtures, air vents, and access panels, enhancing their functionality and versatility in various applications. Whether used in residential, commercial, or institutional settings, ceiling panels provide a cost-effective solution for enhancing comfort, aesthetics, and functionality, making them an essential element of modern interior design and architecture. Ceiling panels are not just functional and durable but also highly customizable, offering endless design possibilities. They come in a wide range of materials, textures, colors, and patterns, allowing designers and homeowners to achieve their desired aesthetic vision. From classic wood finishes to sleek metallic surfaces, from bold geometric patterns to subtle textures that mimic natural materials like stone or bamboo, the options are virtually limitless. This versatility makes ceiling panels suitable for any interior style, whether it be contemporary, traditional, industrial, or eclectic. Additionally, ceiling panels can be installed in various configurations, including suspended grids, flush-mounted systems, or even as decorative accents on vaulted or sloped ceilings, providing designers with the flexibility to create unique and visually stunning spaces. Furthermore, advancements in technology have enabled the integration of innovative features such as soundproofing materials, built-in speakers, and smart lighting systems into ceiling panels, further enhancing their functionality and appeal. With their ability to combine style, functionality, and advanced features, ceiling panels have become an essential element in interior design, elevating the aesthetics and comfort of any space while offering practical benefits for occupants and designers alike. In addition to their aesthetic and functional benefits, ceiling panels also contribute to sustainability and energy efficiency in buildings. Many modern ceiling panels are designed to be environmentally friendly, utilizing sustainable materials such as recycled wood, metal, or synthetic fibers. By using eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes, these panels help reduce the environmental impact of construction and renovation projects. Furthermore, ceiling panels can improve the energy efficiency of buildings by enhancing insulation and reducing heat loss or gain through the ceiling. This can result in lower heating and cooling costs, making buildings more energy efficient and reducing their carbon footprint. Additionally, some ceiling panels are designed to incorporate reflective surfaces or light reflective coatings, helping to maximize natural daylighting and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. PVC vinyl flooring is a versatile and popular option for both residential and commercial spaces, offering a wide range of benefits. Made from polyvinyl chloride PVC and other synthetic materials, PVC vinyl flooring is highly durable, resistant to wear and tear, and easy to maintain, making it suitable for high-traffic areas such as kitchens, bathrooms, and commercial settings. Its water-resistant properties make it ideal for areas prone to moisture, and it can withstand spills and splashes without warping or damage. One of the key advantages of PVC vinyl flooring is its versatility in design. It comes in a variety of styles, colors, and patterns, including options that mimic the look of natural materials such as wood, stone, or ceramic tile. This allows homeowners and designers to achieve the desired aesthetic without the expense or maintenance requirements of traditional materials. Additionally, PVC vinyl flooring can be installed using different methods, including glue-down, click-lock, or loose-lay, providing flexibility in installation and allowing for quick and easy updates or replacements. Beyond its durability and design versatility, PVC vinyl flooring is also known for its comfort underfoot and sound-absorbing properties, making it a comfortable and quiet flooring option for residential and commercial spaces alike. Furthermore, PVC vinyl flooring is often manufactured using environmentally friendly processes and can be recycled at the end of its life, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumers. In summary, PVC vinyl flooring offers durability, versatility, and comfort, making it an attractive option for a wide range of applications. Whether you're renovating a home, updating a commercial space, or building new construction, PVC vinyl flooring provides a practical and stylish flooring solution that stands the test of time. Moreover, PVC vinyl flooring offers excellent value for money, providing a cost-effective solution for those looking to achieve the look and feel of natural materials without the associated expense. Its long lifespan and resistance to wear ensure that it maintains its appearance and functionality for years to come, reducing the need for frequent replacements and saving on renovation costs in the long run. Additionally, PVC vinyl flooring is compatible with underfloor heating systems, allowing for efficient heating distribution and ensuring optimal comfort in colder climates. Its thermal conductivity properties also make it a suitable choice for rooms with fluctuating temperatures, providing a stable and comfortable indoor environment throughout the year. Furthermore, PVC vinyl flooring is known for its slip-resistant surface, enhancing safety in areas where spills or moisture may occur, such as kitchens, bathrooms, or entryways. This feature, combined with its ease of maintenance and durability, makes PVC vinyl flooring a practical and reliable flooring option for both residential and commercial spaces alike. PVC vinyl flooring offers additional advantages in terms of installation convenience and versatility. With advancements in technology, PVC vinyl planks and tiles are available in various sizes and thicknesses, allowing for easy customization to fit different spaces and design preferences. Whether you prefer the classic look of hardwood planks or the sleek appearance of large format tiles, PVC vinyl flooring can be tailored to suit your aesthetic and functional needs. Moreover, PVC vinyl flooring is designed to be DIY friendly, with many options featuring simple click-lock or adhesive-free installation systems. This means that homeowners can save on installation costs by tackling the project themselves, especially if they have some basic DIY skills.
Required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. LITBLINDS work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please share, like and comment.